In this video, we will go over the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings on your Lenovo Chromebook. Click the system tray on the bottom right of the screen. In the pop-up menu, you can see your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth status. Clicking the icons will toggle the functions on and off. To see your Wi-Fi list, click on the Wi-Fi name below the icon. You can join a different Wi-Fi network by clicking on the network name or the Wi-Fi Plus icon in the top right. The blue switch next to the Wi-Fi Plus icon will also let you toggle your Wi-Fi on and off. Clicking the gear icon will bring up your network settings. This menu contains more advanced settings for your Wi-Fi network. Press the forget button if you want to forget the information of any connected Wi-Fi network. If you toggle prefer this network on, your device will automatically connect to that network when available. Clicking the advanced dropdown will give you more advanced settings like network configuration and proxy settings. Back in the system tray menu, you can toggle Bluetooth on and off by clicking the Bluetooth icon. Clicking the text below the icon pulls up a list of available paired Bluetooth devices as your Chromebook scans for them. Click on a device to connect to it. You can also toggle Bluetooth on and off with the blue switch in the right corner. Pressing the gear icon next to it pulls up Bluetooth settings. Here you can see a list of paired and unpaired devices. Click on an unpaired device to pair it to your Chromebook. Clicking the three dots next to a paired device lets you connect or disconnect the device, or remove it from your paired list. If you have any more questions about your Chromebook, you can learn more at support.lenovo.com.